Hello, luxury enthusiasts! Welcome back to Money Nation. Today, we're immersing ourselves in a world of opulence and exclusivity, exploring 3 hobbies that are reserved for those with a billionaire's budget. Before we unveil these extravagant pastimes, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights into the lifestyles of the ultra-wealthy. Now, let's delve into hobbies only billionaires can afford. Let the indulgence begin. 1. Supercar collection. For our first indulgent hobby, we step into the world of high-speed luxury. While car enthusiasts may collect classic cars, billionaires take it up a notch with their supercar collections. From limited edition Ferraris to custom-designed Bugattis, owning a fleet of these high-performance marvels is a passion only the wealthiest can fully embrace. It's not just about transportation, it's about acquiring rolling works of art. The supercar collection is more than just a garage full of powerful engines. It's a statement of status and a celebration of engineering excellence. Each car in a billionaire's collection is a masterpiece, meticulously selected for its unique design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. These high-octane vehicles become an extension of the owner's personality, showcasing a penchant for the extraordinary. What sets apart a billionaire's supercar collection is not just the number of cars, but the exclusivity of each. Limited editions, custom-built models, and unique specifications are the hallmarks of these collections. Each edition is a deliberate choice, often influenced by the thrill of pushing the limits of speed and design. It's a passion that transcends the ordinary and transforms the act of driving into an art form. Maintaining such a collection requires a team of skilled professionals, from expert mechanics to curators who ensure the pristine condition of each masterpiece. The supercar collection becomes a dynamic portfolio, not just an assembly of vehicles. It reflects the owner's commitment to excellence, attention to detail, and the pursuit of automotive perfection. Beyond the thrill of speed, supercar collections often serve as investments. Rare and vintage models can appreciate in value over time, making them not just a source of adrenaline, but also a savvy financial move. This dual nature of the hobby combines the love for luxury with a strategic approach to wealth preservation. 2. Private island ownership. Next on our list is the ultimate in exclusivity, owning a private island. While many dream of escaping to a secluded paradise, billionaires turn that dream to reality by acquiring their own private piece of paradise. These islands boast pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and unparalleled privacy. It's a playground for the affluent, where the only limit is the extent of your imagination. Owning a private island is the epitome of luxury and seclusion. These billionaires' retreats are not just places of relaxation. They're exclusive domains where privacy is paramount. The islands serve as blank canvases for the wealthy to design their personal utopias, complete with opulent residences, exotic landscapes, and bespoke amenities. What sets private island ownership apart is not just the acquisition of land, but the transformation of it into a bespoke paradise. Billionaires invest in creating sustainable ecosystems, luxurious villas, and personalized hideaways. It's not merely a real estate investment. It's a commitment to curate a sanctuary that aligns with the owner's vision of an ideal escape. The allure of private islands extends beyond leisure. They become venues for exclusive events, philanthropic initiatives, and gatherings of the global elite. These islands are not just properties. They are statements of the owner's ability to carve out a private haven in the vastness of the sea, showcasing a lifestyle that transcends the conventional bounds of luxury. Some billionaires go beyond mere ownership, turning their private islands into conservation projects. These philanthropic endeavors aim to preserve the natural beauty of these pristine landscapes, creating a legacy that extends beyond personal enjoyment. Private islands, in this context, become a canvas for environmental stewardship and a commitment to the planet's well-being.